Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for an open work permit from outside Canada. First, you need to confirm your eligibility. This permit is for specific situations, like being a spouse of an international student or worker, or a participant in certain programs. Ensure you meet all conditions before proceeding. Next, compile all required documents, such as your passport, marriage certificate if applicable, and proof of your spouse's status in Canada. Accuracy is key for a smooth process. Once eligible, create an online account with Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, or IRC. This portal is where you will manage your entire application. Carefully fill out the application form, ensuring all information matches your supporting documents. Any discrepancies can cause delays. After completing the form, upload all your prepared documents. Finally, pay the processing fees, which typically include a work permit fee and an open work permit holder fee. Keep your payment receipt. After submitting your application and paying fees, you will receive instructions to provide your biometrics. This involves fingerprints and a photo, usually done at a visa application center. Book an appointment promptly. Be prepared for the possibility of an interview with an immigration officer, though not all applicants are called. They might ask about your intentions or documents. Regularly check your IRC online account for status updates and any requests for additional information. Patience is important during this stage. The final step is awaiting the decision on your application. Processing times vary, so continue monitoring your online account. If approved, you will receive a port of entry letter of introduction. This letter is crucial. Present it to a border services officer upon arrival in Canada to get your actual work permit. Remember to check the description below for a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. Congratulations on your new journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.